Breast and your girl
Missy.
and we are back with another video. Guys, now tell what kind of video we are gonna drop. Well today, tell them video we are gonna do, Missy.
Guys, as you can see, we are gonna do a spicy chutar drink.
Yeah, truth or
Yeah, we're
drink.
gonna do a spicy chutar drink, guys. So if she don't want to answer the question, she have to go drink, but we kinda switch up it because we are use rum cream. We kinda stop the drinking. We are gonna use rum cream, guys. So stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. No matter watch my hairstyle because you know me look ugly. No,
What do
man,
you
my
hear?
ear
No,
don't
do you hear?
pull
Where
my
you hear the
thing.
phone? Look at my ear.
Somebody just put on a little something like that, guys. So let's get into the video.
Your first ox or
You want to start?
yes.
Alright, start.
What the hardest thing ever happened to you at school?
There's something.
The hardest thing happened to you at school. Yeah, at school.
Like a really good big teaching. I like. Hardest thing I want to do testing and like you never go on class. And teacher make sure knows, make you know. So guess what? Me not go over that shit. Me not back over that topic there. That hard. You know you are going to exam, go fail the test. It's that
Okay.
hard. So guys, I make you know my question are gonna be more spicier than hers, cause you know. Have you ever have you ever had sex in a whole house?
Yes. A lot of time I have sex in all those. Yes, guys, of course, straight, not lie. Yeah. What are your pets?
My pets, cat and I like them too.
I like melody.
I love cat especially, but me no like when them put them for me.
Me don't like cats, because me don't like smell puss baby.
First of all, my puss well trained. My puss, you see, at night time, my cat, when if he in a house, he not sleep right throughout the house, he always start make nice to go out that door. If he get up, go take him out. Yeah, well properly trained. My question, spit or swallow?
Me not swallow, spit. Not swallow it, guys. Me. What flavor? No, spit, no swallow. That's me. No, not me and rum raisin. Me grape nuts, not rum raisin. But not swallow, spit.
Okay,
You're
then.
okay? Have you ever shit up yourself?
Never.
Missy, stop telling lies. Stop telling. No, that's a lie. One shot. Missy, one shot.
No,
one shot.
Me not take no shot. If I do, I cannot recall.
That's a lie.
Let me think.
Everybody shit up themselves.
Me never shit up for myself.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm not pretending, guys. I'm being honest.
Okay.
If my muscle is small, but me can't recall. Me go ask my mother. My turn. Would you have a threesome?
Me not have no threesome. Me not never. That is not my. Me not them thing the guy. No threesome. When me I do my thing, I just me and my bunny bunchy the day I do. No threesome thing. Me not work with that. Not work with that.
Okay, then why did I take no shot? It seems like. I'm going to see if you go to no shots.
Your turn. Most afternoon.
Yeah, your turn.
Have you ever lost a fight?
That's like, no, no girl or boy can't beat me. I'm mad. Beat who? You mad? No girl or boy can't beat me. Never lost one fight. Hey, I'm not tell no lie. Since reach high school, I'm almost done. I stop fight. But there primary school, I post up boy and I have to call mother. Call my mother and thing and thing. I never lose one fight. Because I no pick trouble, so.
You just ask me
My-
first a question then. What do you mean by use somebody for you?
My side. So me, I got asked difficult questions. You know, I'm a Christian talking, so I'm not going to answer mine. Have you ever, no, what is the most embarrassing thing have you ever doing in a sexual experience?
No, one shot for that. Me not go answer that. One shot. Me not go talk that. My guys, so me only gonna take one shot.
Okay, then.
Guys, me and I made them. And the last time me do 2 times there.
Piece of 2 whole and next door neighbor step.
Me do it again, guys, so me I take my time.
Alright. What is the where's the most nastiest place have you ever had sex?
What is the what?
The most nastiest and scariest.
In the bush.
Oh, what?
In the bush, the most not scary. Lord. Yeah, me do it in the bush, guys. Now me tell us a good thing. Oh, me not lie. Hey!
Okay!
One place and one place to have sex. In a bed alone, sometimes guys, if you like this stove and sun pan here, guys, and them something me a talk about. Daddy in a bed alone. That can't work. Happen. I sang it just sit down. Come to the guys. Come on, ask me some question. Feel hot.
Okay then. While having sex, nobody ever catch up with it.
While I'm thinking nobody ever catch me.
Yeah,
A lot of time I'm in a bush, grown and in place, people see me. Now we back after the man tell me say, you know, say, the man say, you know, say, Tom, let's see me. I say, I'm in a business. I want him not do it. I want him not do it. Yeah, joke. I'm in a business who wants me not hide. Anyway, me will do my thing. Me used to talk to one guy now, and like when we got the bush at the farm, me I say, BS, can we do one piece now, but no, them are going to see me. Me say, yeah, my man. Sit down right after me, I go sit down for a pass. I don't know what you do. I don't know what you guys have, man. So, me business who wants to say, yeah, man, me not afraid. Anyway you want it, me I give it to you. Alright.
Okay then. At what age did you take your virginity?
Massa. Shade, don't comment for that one. Me not do that, Shade, don't comment for that one. Water eat me take my breath. Don't comment. You have to take a shot, guys.
It is too young. Can't talk.
One shot me at it. Go again.
Alright then. Have you ever dated a nigga for money? Just a month benefits?
Well, no, not really. I mean, not really. That's a long time back then. But my auntie always tell me, say, come, if you don't like the person, don't take him money.
Man are savage.
And them time, I don't want them. My mother go see me body, they saw I'm head, they saw. No, guys. Me rather know say me hungry than take a boy money. Me always keep hungry. Me used to hungry. 1 week me go through hungry. Drops and water and jelly water. So me not see why me go do that. Me not gonna use no man for them money. Money will come. See there, me having on my finger, money will come. So no, that's not me.
Okay then. My next question is: have you ever been? What am I saying? You want a nigga, on a friend, but friends with benefits. You ever have a nigga with friends with benefits?
Well, not really no friend thing. If me and a friend, me and a friend. Me and a benefit, the only benefits to friend I like if me want a 5,000 and can help me out. I'm gonna speak up in, me go show you something. Me have a friend one time. I mean, we not like one done fall thing, like me want a little help up with like a $2,000. You know what my friend said to me? My friend said to me, say, no man, come link me tomorrow, man, we go one place. Sexy one, you know, guys. You go put one next, you go give me 1 5 grand. So me I borrow 2 grand from him. And friend, he tell me that me know say I know a friend that he's not a friend, and me just have him a friend this, so you know rate me. Me ask me.
Alright, the last and final question, guys. What is the most embarrassing thing have you ever done while drunk?
Lord, when time me drunk, me nah no head. No head at all. Me
Guys,
piss up your whole house.
Let me tell you, me can't tell you no fear.
Piss on my thing when time me. That's the worst thing to me. Me spit me piss up the place and then no after them I tell me I say me piss up myself. Like
You
really?
say guys, the last. So, me did ask the question guys, the camera shut off. What is the most embarrassing thing you have ever done while drunk? So she did that talk. So please explain yourself.
Well, the most I piss up the room. That's the most and guys, me I'll chop up the place. Mad when
Hey
time
guys, let me
that's
tell
the
you
worst
something.
thing.
Yes, as been saying in the video. It's the last time she do I shoot her drink. So after she go down there and put up while I step. He start ball saying friend them no love him and he love him friend them. He go over and piss up the whole place. All he red one big house in a year we got doctor for. But I'm telling him so no go so. And if that you know do it. So me never enjoy. Me always know my limits. Okay, if you know me can't manage, I stop. I'm not proving nothing to nobody. I stop.
Guys, you know, so somebody saying just one with a meds, you just drink one,
But
two magnum
guys,
and bun of weed.
She did hungry. She did hungry while that happened still.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. So just remember to comment, like,
share,
subscribe, tell a friend about the Stiff Breast in Jamaica channel.
Yeah,
I'm out.
Bye.